of sheet metal shearing and bending. Shearing is the mechanical cutting of sheet metal by means of two opposing blades. It is used to precisely cut large sheets of plate and sheet stock into smaller, more manageable sections, which are then used in later operations. Typical shears consist of a fixed lower blade mounted on the table or bed of the machine, and an upper blade secured onto a vertically movable crosshead. As the blades penetrate the material, a crack or tear, called the slit plane, develops on both sides of the material, separating the stock. On most shears, the upper knife is aligned at an angle of between 1/2 and 2½ degrees to the lower blade. This angle helps concentrate the shearing forces and ensures that the sheared workpiece, called the drop, will not become wedged between the two blades. Common types of shearing equipment include gapless shears, gap shears, right angle shears, CNC shears, and iron workers. Slitting is a shearing process in which wide coil stock is slit into multiple narrower coils. Bending is the creation of three-dimensional shapes out of two-dimensional material. Bending is a method of producing shapes by deforming the metal beyond its yield point, but not past its ultimate tensile strength. The press brake is the most common kind of bending machine. There are two major categories of bending: air bending and bottom bending. 90-degree V-shaped dies are the most common type of bending die, but many other types are used to produce shapes, such as acute angle dies, gooseneck dies, offset dies, and rotary bending dies. The addition of computer-controlled gauges to press brakes has greatly extended their accuracy and made possible the economical production of multiple bend, multiple stroke parts in a single setup. The folding machine is also used in bending and is especially suitable for large or complex parts requiring multiple bends.